Becky. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Mickey monthly subscription box unboxing for you guys. This month I have the April box to unbox. It is the theme park edition, adult and any gender customization. So if you don't know, when you get Mickey monthly and you subscribe to their monthly service, you can pick the size of the box that you want, so that kind of helps you decide what cost you're going to be spending. And you can also pick your gender preference and your age preference if you have one. So this one is for adults. It is any gender, so anything that would appeal to either girls or boys, women or men, and then theme park edition. So everything in this box came from the Walt Disney World theme park. So let's see what came in my box this month. This is a funny box. I've never gotten one this shape before. I always save the Mickey monthly boxes because they are so nice to reuse for other things. So as always, everything is packed really nicely, and I see this brown paper, which usually means it's something breakable. And this is pretty big. This takes up like the whole box. So let's see what's inside here. Wrap, wrap, wrap. This looks like a glass or a tumbler or something. Ooh, I just dropped it. Oops. Good thing it was wrapped. It's still wrapped. I'm still unwrapping. Wow, this is so pretty. Is it a vase or a glass? It says Neverland, Think Happy Thoughts, and it's got like Peter Pan and the silhouette of Peter Pan and Wendy and her brother with the little top hat on it and the little pixie dust, and it's got like a little kind of a compass thing here. That's really neat. I guess it could be a drink, like a cup, or it could be a vase. I'm not really sure, but it's really neat. I've never gotten a glass or anything like this before, so that's neat. And I'm glad I didn't break it by dropping it because I'm clumsy. So that was the first thing that came in the box. What else is in the box? Oh, this is interesting. A little tiny bag. I don't know what this is. I've never gotten anything like this before either, in a little tiny bag. What is it? Well, it's cute, but what is it? It's a little Mickey, like the little Mickey ears, and on the back it says Never Grow Up. That's cute. I guess it's kind of like just a little good luck charm. That's really cute. I've never seen anything like that before at Disney. And look at the little bag, how cute. My girls will love that. My girls will also love the fact that pretty much every month Mickey Monthly sends some type of treat or snack. So this month I got another Rice Krispie treat, but this one looks like it's got peanut butter, like peanut butter chips and chocolate underneath. That smells really good. I don't think we've gotten one with a little like peanut butter, I guess that's peanut butter chips on it. That's really cute. I don't have one like that. I've never gotten one like that. And also, and wow, I'm excited. I did not know. Oh, okay. Look at these little food magnets. How cute are these? When I saw this at first, I thought it was a treat to eat, but it's actually a set of 4 fridge magnets with like the classic Mickey snacks. So we've got the Mickey on a stick. I'm going to open them so you can see because the glare is like really bad in here. I can't get them open. Help me. This is so cute. I love this. The little Mickey ice cream on a stick. And I can't get this open. I really am not grown up enough to even open my own mail. Oh my goodness. What is it made out of? Kevlar? I can't get this open. I gotta go get scissors. Hang on. I don't have scissors because people always take off with my scissors. So I'm gonna try to open it with this like wrapping paper thing, which I've never used. Evidently it does work though, so that's good. And so this one is like a little chocolate covered, like a little Mickey cookie, I guess. That's cute. It's nice that there's 4 of them too, because there's 4 of us in our family, so we can each have one. Mickey pretzel, gotta have that every year, and a little piece of Mickey pizza with Mickey shaped pepperoni. How cute is that? I've never gotten, I take it back, I got one magnet once, but I never got like a set of these, and these are so cute. So that's really exciting. So that is everything that came in my Mickey monthly subscription box for the month of April. It was the theme park edition, adult customization, and any age. So I like the variety of things. It's really fun. And if you guys have never subscribed to Mickey Monthly before, it really is fun to get a little box of mystery magic delivered to your door every single month. And I have a coupon code for you in the description box if you're interested. If you use that code, you'll get a discount off of your first month's box, whichever subscription you want to get. But you'll get a little bit of a discount on that first month's box. So definitely look into using that link if you're planning on getting a Mickey monthly subscription for either you or to give it to somebody else as a gift. It really is the perfect thing to give a Disney lover to keep that Disney magic in their life every single month. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you did, you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will link my Disney playlist for you guys in the description box. Every single Mickey monthly unboxing and every single Mickey Disney video I've ever made about planning a trip or fast passes or anything like that is in that Disney playlist. So I will link that for you guys in the description box. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. So much for watching all the way to the end of this video. If you want to see 2 of my older videos, you can click the links right here. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, if you haven't already, and you definitely should, you can click right here. I upload every single week. I have some links in the description box for some of my favorite stores and products, as well as my P.O. Box address. Check out those links if you're interested in those, and I will see you guys in the next video.